It's two different lines, banana and pineapple, with two different management strategies. So this is not long after the dry spell. The dry spell does not affect any of these plants, and they're all putting on new growth. In fact, you can see the new growth that's come. We got wild tobacco, that's 33% potassium, in response to banana needs. So they transfer these nutrients through the mycelium network. And if we come down the bottom here, you can actually see the pineapple just in here. So they're showing beautiful new growth. Everything's happy and healthy. Got all these other types of plants coming in, everything's super wild. Okay, and really beautiful. There's bees and there's ladybugs in there. And then we come to this banana line, where we see it's quite struggling. Pigeon pea's doing well, it's a dry land crop, but the pineapples are very sunburnt and drought stressed. And what do you notice here? The only real difference is basically the vegetation. We can see down here things are a little bit better. We've got the different vegetation coming in, we've got the wild tobacco. We might even see a pineapple or two that are doing okay. There we are. So it really all comes down to diversity, shading the soil, good soil management, soil quality, and not having your soil exposed. And look at this beautiful ecosystem down here, this microclimate. And we've had that rain, so it's all very moist. And look at all the fungus and the biology. That's what we're aiming for, guys. Weeds don't problem the garden. Now, this is a tree system, so there was vegetables down the bottom. For instance, if instead of pineapples there was lettuce, well then we might have to clear some of that vegetation out in order for the lettuce to get that sunlight. For this case, pineapples are an understory crop. They enjoy the shade. And so during this rainy period, when we have the rain, that's then when we would slice out and open up the light. This is the only thing we need to worry about, is the light space. It's the only thing that these plants need, you know, in terms of all the diversity I'm talking of. So when things are close, stacked together, and look, even the moringa's been putting on some pods. It's really quite amazing. The banana's are very tall, putting on beautiful new growth. Everything is very happy, and even the pineapples down here are quite large. Again, even on the more exposed side, everything's still how it should be. Beautiful soil. Look at that structure. Cottage cheese, that's what we want. Smells delicious. So there you have it, guys. You can really steer and change your outcomes in the garden and on your farm, all through just how you manage things. Okay, so this is primarily just our conditioning to believe that if we eliminate all vegetation, then, you know, it's going to save water. But look here, this is what we've done here. So according to that same belief system, this should be full of moisture. Alright, it's hard and it's compact on the surface, there's only a little bit of moisture in there, so it goes against the paradigm. And this is what we all need to be looking for.